In today's video, we'll show you how to log in to Quantower. After purchasing a challenge, you'll receive the login credentials at your registered email address. You can also find them on your dashboard under the Overview section. To download the platform, simply go to the Download section of the dashboard. Scroll down to Quantower, click on it, and the platform file will be downloaded. Now, to access the platform, we first need to sign 2 mandatory agreements. To do that, simply go to the inbox of your registered email address and open the email with your login credentials. Here, click on the Sign Agreement button and you'll be redirected to the web version of Rithmic. Here, enter the user ID and password and click Sign In. You'll see 2 agreements. First is Market Data Subscription Agreement. Take a moment to read through it, scroll to the bottom, and then click on I agree. Next is Market Data Self-Certification Agreement. Read the terms carefully, scroll to the bottom, and select Non-Professional. If you select Professional, you'll be charged an additional fee. Finally, click on Submit, and that's it. Alternatively, you can download RTrader Pro and then sign both of the mandatory agreements. Now, let's log in to Quantower. Simply open the platform. This is the default layout you'll see. Next, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Hola Prime. A connection window will pop up. Here, enter your Rithmic credentials, user ID and password, and select the nearest server. Then, simply click Connect and you will be successfully logged into the platform. And that's it. Logging into Quantower is that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.